Hi, today I will try to make a shredded pork with fried noodle. So for the first step, I need to cut the pork to a slice such as about the sizes. Yeah. Here, and then at the same time, I also need to cut it a slice also. Should be such as that sizes, and then once I finish cut the slice of the pork, I need to manually the pork into the fridge. Here, oh so here. For the manually that step, we need to do it at least half an hour. These are the ingredients for how to manually the shredded pork. This is the soy sauce, and this is the soy sauce, and this is the oil, and this one is the white pepper. This teaspoon is a sugar, for the between is a cornstarch, and finally this teaspoon is a salt. So next step is pour all the ingredients into the shade pot, such as what I'm doing right now. Then they have one more step is use the spoon to mixture the stable with the ingredients together. So like that. Yeah. After that, I'm going to cut the yellow chips. Cut it such as like that size is okay with that. And then I will continue to cut the yellow chips. Yeah, that's it. Then I will take out the first part and the last part of the bean spot. This is what I said, such as like that size. Yeah, that size is okay with that. For the most important part, make sure we need to take out the first part and the last part of the beansprout, and whatever the size is not okay with that, that still looks fine. the next step is make sure we need to boil the water, and such as like they have many bubbles, so I can ready to put the noodles for the inside the water here, and yeah, and then make sure at the same time need to turn off the fire and just put it like that. Then I will put the noodle into here. Right. Sorry, here. Put it in. And then we need to pour the oil inside the pan and make sure it's hot enough. And at the same time, I am going to put the noodle into the pan. Oh, sorry. Okay, I think just find it. Then I'm going to fry it. We need to make sure put much of the oil as much as we can, because I'm going to pan fry the noodle. Now I'm going to fry the noodle and make sure the noodle is little bit brown and gold. That can be okay with that. Otherwise it's not okay with that. That's still not fine. Until that color, that still can be fine with that. Now I'm going to put the noodles on the dish. Then I'm going to add the shredded pot into the pan and make sure we need to add the oil, and at the same time it's hot enough. Now I'm going to put the shredded pot into the pan. Make sure the shredded pot, such as the little bit brown and gold, that still can be fine. Now I'm going to pour the bean stock into the pan. Now I'm going to pour the yellow chips into the pan. And I'm going to pour the chicken soup into the pan. And I'm going to pour the corn starch into the pan. And remember, for the cornstarch, we need to make sure add the water into the cornstarch powder, such as like that, as you can see. Finally, I'm going to pour this on the noodle. Right now, I can enjoy to eat the shredded pot with fried noodles. Also, remember, go to subscribe my YouTube channel and add the like for my video. So I hope you guys have a good day. I will see you later. Bye.